The next topic is Losho grid in 2D arrays. You should know what is a Losho grid. So here the question is define a class to accept values in a 3 by 3 array and check if it is a Losho grid or not. So what is a Losho grid is the sum of each row and column is equal to 15. So you'll have to display appropriate message accordingly, right? 9 plus 2 plus 4, 3 plus 5 plus 7, all these are equal to 15, right? Even here, if you see column wise or row wise, everything should be equal to 15. Even the diagonal wise, it is equal to 15. That is called as a Losho grid. So how to do? Taking the variable block, I have got row total int ij, row total, column total, and then I am declaring a array. So row total equal to 0, column total equal to 0, and array I have declared. And after doing that, I am taking the input. You know how to take the input block. So this is how the input block is given. After taking the input, go with the printing block. So I'm printing the array in the matrix form. The next one, if you see, I'm coming on to the calculation part. Losho grid calculation is row total is equal to row total plus A of ij. So I am taking everything and then I'm doing the totaling. So row total, column total, IL total. Now this is the main part. If row total is not equal to 15 or column total is not equal to 15, I'm directly printing it is not a Losho grid. Then I make a row total and column total 0, and then I will print it is a Losho grid if the row total and column total is equal to 0.